have an absolutely gorgeous brand new Weltmeister Topas III accordion. It has 37 keys in the treble with 96 bass buttons. There are 3 reeds in the treble, low and 2 middle, with 7 switches on the treble side. A few of these are duplicates. I'll go through these switches so you can hear what they sound like. This is the middle. 2 middle, low and middle. This is your master switch, low and 2 middle. Here's your bassoon. A duplicate clarinet. And a duplicate musette. On the bass side, we have 3 switches on the bass. This is an absolutely gorgeous model. It has a Northern Lights theme going on. If you look at the bellows, it looks like the Northern Lights. The bass buttons they look like pebbles. They're all different colors of gray, white, and a marbly darker gray. The keyboard looks like a lava ash. It's a dark gray marbled effect with the black. So it's an absolutely gorgeous. It has a nice silver shimmery grill. But the bellows is really the eye-catching part here, combined with the bass buttons. It really looks like the Northern Lights. It's absolutely beautiful. It has a nice sound. It's not too heavy. I'll play something so you can hear what it sounds like.